this week, the #1 reason people have been having to call me for an emergency type appointment is tightness in their neck, their jaw, headaches, upper back pain. I mean, we're all really stressed right now. So I want you to share just a different way that you guys can start opening up this area and keeping things loose since we're gonna be cooped up here for another few weeks. This is a yoga block and I've got it on its 4-inch tall side like this, the skinny side. And what you do is you sit like this and you kind of position the block so it's right here along your thoracic spine or your middle back. And I'm slowly lowering myself, allowing my neck to extend. And then I'm even gonna put my arms up and overhead and extend my legs. And breathe, letting everything open up. And then when you want to get back up, please support your head, slowly come up like this. And you're gonna feel so much better. Once you get in that position, depending on your tolerance, you can be there for, 30 seconds to 3 minutes. If you don't have a foam yoga block at your house, and I know it's kind of inconvenient to go get one at Target or something right now, you could, roll up a towel or something trying to get a similar type shape. Don't use anything hard like a book because this foam block is giving me a little bit of give underneath my spine and you don't want to bruise your spine trying to stretch things out. But getting that opening through your thoracic spine will help release pressure in your neck, your head, your shoulders, and help you be able to handle the stress much better here over the next couple of weeks.